and say, look, this is inhumane.
See, these are the last people's minds we're going to be able to change because they've been brainwashed from their whole life.
Rather than change the people's minds, which would have, by the way, have no effect on agriculture, speak to the people who are.
It does have an effect on agriculture.
No, speak to the people who do that, not the people who...
But I think the fact is, even if we have a cow, beautiful pastures, has a long life, and we kill them, in the quickest, painless way possible, vegans still wholeheartedly believe that that's killing an animal unnecessarily.
The weather's always good here, smelling like the roses, the poses, hearts cat walking, voguing 80 soul, coke noses, Mother Queen Madonna, plays high raisin lady, catches down snow train before she even leaves the station. She can't even get out on anymore. Morning, Mona Lisa, Manhattan in the morning. Tracy Evans heavy on your lips, vibrating, humming. Even Eugene Levy, dry mouthed, Alma Combo, lounging in the butcher's microphone and uni eyebrow.
You need to let the world know you introduced the show to somebody, and then hashtag it instant sex.
Instant sex works. Yeah, being the worst kept secret in the USI that everybody, even a janitor in a janitor's neighbors seems to know.
That's right.
Of the level 6 clearance.
Exactly.
Now,
$6 million hippie haircut, Manos El Bigote, a toddler turned bionic by a homosexualized hopeful Lindsay Wagner. Robert is reported to have killed his wife while walking the Muse down in Popcock Park. She can't even get a hot on anymore.